He says, get out of my way. He says the monster is dying. Dying notes. Like the monster. Calling Tubby! Run! Hi guys, I'm playing Roblox again. I know I did that much videos. Now I'm gonna do some more. Yay! Dun, dun, dun. Everybody likes this map. This is the fun one ever. Yeah, this is the fun one. You need to try it out. It's so fun. Keep Tubby. Monster! Bolivia custard. Ah! I want that custard. I want that custard. I want that custard. Yes, I got that custard. Someone died. I hear black wicked. Black wicked. I can't see him. I see shadow. Oh no! No! I don't want to go out there. You go out there. No, I want to be here with you. No, go out. No, I want to stay here with you. Fine. Yeah, I'm gonna go kill him. You can't go kill him. He's my friend. Give me what's cool. Okay. Need to have on my vent! Get me in! Someone died. Don't go there. Don't go there. Don't go! Come on! No! Who is he? Oh my god! I was so close to dying! Don't push me. I don't like you. Calling Tubbies though. Wait, what? Get me out. I'm going. Well, he's dead. Excuse me. Custard. Keep Tubbies here. Gonna get in. Oh! Get the bow. Oh! Well, let's go check out the Tubbies. Tingle-winky, dipsy. Keep Tubbies though. No, run! Keep Tubby! There's some way to kill him. The monster has dying notes. Got diarrhea. Would you like to say something? No, I'm good. Okay. What the? No, best friend, really? This one over against Tinky Winky is over underrated. And they created also some tubbies. Like tubbies are supposed to be like kid shows. But they never came again. Those sweaty tubbies. We have missing. Nunu was missing. And we decided to go to the mainland. What's up with Tinky Winky? Did he die? Cave Tubby died. Yes, he killed him. Yes, yes, yes. But he's still coming. Let's keep going. Oh, guys, like and subscribe and follow me. Actually, I don't have a TikTok. Just follow me. Now follow me. Now follow. Oh! Scoot. And also, Slendytubbies is coming out soon. But it's two Slendytubbies. But there's one problem. I'm like, dang. Camera died. My camera ran out some batteries. Okay. Okay. Back where we were. There's one problem. Tubbies. Tinky also my toes. Tubbies. They're just like operations with DNAs. I'm just kidding. Tubbies are went go the same. Just one. Oh no, it's funny. Tubby, come to play. Time for Tubbies. Time for Tubbies. Time for Tubbies. Dinka Winky, Dipsy, Epsy, la la la, po. Oh god, my camera died. I can't see in the dark. Can't even see. Where am I? I can't. Ow! Jump! Oh! Oh, you were damaging me. Oh my god. Please. Like Dipsy is not open. But Dipsy's body. What was that? Oh yeah, guys, but you want to part 2? Just like, subscribe and like, cause tomorrow we're gonna be going at the mainland. Yeah, we're going to the mainland to find Nunu. One missing Nunu. One missing Nunu. Bye.